Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lakshya Vasin and today I will be teaching you 5 basic Afro dance steps. Let's go! Okay, so guys, the first move that I will be teaching you is known as Gwara Gwara. Quite famous, you must have seen it. So let's go straight for it. For this move, we'll try to keep our left leg stationary and all the movement that will be done will be by our right leg. So, firstly, let's come in a second position, a bigger second. Bend down a little. Then what we have to do for the preparation, that is before one, pick your right leg up, you go 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and down, 4 and down. So when I pick my right leg up, I go out. When I place it down, my knee comes in, right? So if I do it slowly, it looks like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Right? So this was the leg work. Now you can try to add various different types of hand movements with it, but mostly that we'll be doing is only with our right hand. Try to keep your elbow facing upwards and we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Right. Now what you can also do in this step is you can do it in different levels, like or increasing level. I'll show you 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Right? So if we try it on counts with different levels, it will be like 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was Gwara Gwara on counts. Let's try it on music. Okay, so guys, the next step that we will be doing is known as Pilolo. Right? Quite easy. Let's move straight into it. We'll start with our right leg. On 1, the right leg goes up. If you see from the side, it goes 5, 6, 7, go 1. Right. Now with that coming up, what you have to do, you have to twist towards your left, right? So 5, 6, 7, go 1. Alright, so you can see I use my hands for the momentum. So 5, 6, 7, go 1. Now on 2, you will place your right leg down and you will move your left leg forward. You go 2, you go 3 and you go 4. Right? So we'll start again. We go 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Again 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 5, we will pick our left leg up and we will twist towards our right. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically in Pilolo you are twisting and moving. Twisting and moving. Right? Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So that was Pilolo on counts. Now let's try Pilolo on music. Let's go. Okay, so guys, the next move that we will be doing is known as network, right? So let's move. For network, open a second, not a big second, but a normal second. Keep your hands by your side. So for network, we will start with our right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now the major work comes into place of your shoulders. Right? So we go for it. While doing your right leg, you drop your right shoulder. So it looks like 5, 6, 7, go 1. Now for your left leg, you will drop your left shoulder and raising your right shoulder. You go 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add the hands also. Hands are by our side. So when I go for 1, I am stomping my right leg, I am dropping my shoulder, and I am also moving my arms towards the right side. Right? So all together it looks like 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the basic network, but we'll also do a variation to it. So let's go for it. The variation that I am talking about is simpler. We go, I'll just do the legs first. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? So it is basically on the spot, on the spot, on the spot, together, open. On the spot, on the spot, on the spot, together and open. Right? Let's try. Including all the hands and shoulders. So for the hands and shoulders, what you need to do is, you need to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So on 3 and 4, whichever side you are traveling, your hands just keep on moving to that side. No movement for the shoulders on and 4. Right? So 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that was network and one variation for you on counts. Now let's try both of these on music. So guys, the next move that we will be doing is known as Bosho. So just like the other moves, we start our Bosho with our right leg. Right? So on 1, what we have to do, we have to hop on our left leg. Hop. Right? And we have to kick our right leg. So 5, 6, 7, go 1. Right? So this was a bigger hop, but we have to take a little smaller hop than this. So what we have to do, we have to go 5, 6, 7, go 1. Right? On 2, we have to sit down. We have to go 2. On 3, we have to do again what we did on 1. And on 4, we have to do again what we did on 2. Sit. Right? So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Now for the hands, you have a free choice. But what I like to do for hands is, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So by these hands or this hand movement, you get hold of what you are doing with your legs. So it becomes easier for you to remember. Right? So let's do it on counts. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so that was Wosho on counts. Now let's do Wosho on music. Okay, so guys, the next move that we'll be doing is known as leg work poco. Now just like the moves, we'll start leg work poco with our right leg, and the counts that we'll be following will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So let's start. On 1, we take our right leg forward, we go 1. On and, we tap our left leg on the spot and on 2, I take my right leg back, I go 2. On 3, I take my left leg forward, on and I tap with my right leg, and on 4, I take my left leg, right? So slowly we will do it, it looks like 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, right? So if you look carefully, the tap that I am taking is a very small tap. I am not going all the way up to take my tap, right? Smaller taps because it needs to be quicker. So 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So if you look at it from the side, it looks like 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now let's try a bit faster. We go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we'll add our shoulders to it. For every step taken forward, we have to bring the opposite shoulder forward, right? So on 1, my left shoulder goes forward. On and, my right shoulder goes forward. Add on 2, my left shoulder goes forward. 3 is my right shoulder, and is my left shoulder, 4 is my right shoulder, right? So let's combine the shoulders and the leg work. We go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try a bit quicker. We go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that was leg work poco on counts. Now let's try leg work poco on music. Alright, so guys, that was it. Those were the 5 basic Afro dance steps by me, Lakshya Bhasin. If you like the tutorial, do drop a like below. Comment down whichever dance form you want me to cover in these tutorials. Also subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.